നമ്മൾ വരുത്തുന്ന 5 ഗ്രാമർ മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. Let's see. Number 1. Misusing apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to indicate possession or contractions, but they are often misused, such as using them to form plurals or in possessive pronouns like hers and theirs. Number 2. Using double negatives. Double negatives are two negative words used in the same sentence which cancel each other out and create a positive meaning. For example, I don't want nothing instead of I don't want anything. Number 3. Confusing affect and effect. Affect is a verb which means to have an impact on something, while effect is a noun which means the result of something. Number 4. Using less instead of fewer. Less is used for uncountable nouns, while fewer is used for countable nouns. For example, saying there were less people at the party instead of there were fewer people at the party. Number 5. Confusing good and well. Good is an adjective which means something is of high quality, while well is an adverb which means something is done in a satisfactory manner. For example, saying I am doing good instead of I am doing well. I hope you will find this beneficial. Do follow Tiju's Academy for more tips. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.